We're at 810 East Belmont Street. This is in Pensacola, 1 block west of 9th Avenue. We're entering into the front door here. Directly in front of us, we have our great room and our kitchen. We have laminate flooring throughout the majority of the home and tile through the rest. This is an older built home, so it has nice high ceilings and lots of good window lighting through here. Finishes are all new. We do have the raised bar top seating for some extra space. There is also an area for eat-in kitchen if you wanted. And then we have a pantry to our left. Stainless steel appliances are all included, lots of good cabinet space. If we continue to the back side of the home, we have first our laundry room, our back door, one of the full bathrooms. So this is the first full bathroom of the home. Very good size vanity, a little bit of extra privacy here as well. Coming back out, we're standing back by our kitchen and our pantry, so you can see our front door there. On the right, we have our 2 bedrooms. Here is the first bedroom. This would be considered the master. It has an attached bathroom. Again, nice high ceilings, very good size closet space in here as well. And we'll show you the bathroom. Walk-in showers just remodeled. Coming back out, we'll take you to the second bedroom. So we're heading back towards the living area. We're gonna go back through the living by our front door there, and here is that guest bedroom. Another good sized closet. So this bedroom is on the front side of the home. Still very good size. The high ceilings make it feel very roomy in here. We'll take you to the backyard now. So we're gonna go back through our living area. We're gonna go through our kitchen. We'll pass our pantry. So we have our laundry room here. And then in our backyard, we have this nice deck. And then we have a storage shed that could also be a warehouse. It's a very good size shed, completely available for tenants to use. The backyard is enclosed. We'll take you to this unit back here. So lots of good space back in this yard here. We'll show you the backyard. Heading back inside. We're gonna go back through our back door here. Again, this is 810 East Belmont Street, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.